guys, my name's Taz, and today I've removed the military surplus side bag that was on Gilby that I installed on a previous video, and I want to install the Chinese PU leather side bag that I bought on eBay. And I've used these before. I've had a couple of them. I've had one on my XVS bobber Izzy, which is an XVS 1100 or Dragstar 1100 bobber that I built. I've had this bag on it for about 12 months, and it's worked a treat. For 28 bucks, I couldn't be more happy with it. So I thought I'd put one on Gilby and just make him look a little bit meaner with a black side bag rather than a green side bag. The bag itself comes with PU leather straps, but I'm actually going to install it using cable ties, which I did on the other bike, and it works perfectly. So thread that in, thread that down, put a second one on. On both sides. Okay. Get them to grab so it can be positioned, and then we'll tighten it up in a minute. Pull that through there so I can get a bit of hold of it. Cut the tails off. Wiggle that as far as we can. Those tails off. You can see there, it's got plenty of room between the chain. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Guys, that is realistically all there is to installing that bag. I think it looks fantastic. I think it looks a bit neater and a bit more sort of in keeping with the style of the bobber than the military bag. For 28 bucks, can't beat them. See there, there's plenty of room between the chain and the bag. Just make sure you mount it quite high up as you can on the swing arm, and it won't interfere with the chain. That's another quick, simple budget install on Gilby, the budget bobber build. My name's Taz. I'm out. See you next time.